Hey folks, Arnold here, Overland Expo 2026 in beautiful Flagstaff, Arizona. We've got our brand new 2026 Hudson Bay wet bath model. This one is actually shown built on an 8-foot design. So the difference between a 6.75 foot and an 8 foot, if you don't already know, you can check out our website. It really gives you a good example and explains that very well. But in short, the 8-foot flatback or square back replaces an 8-foot truck bed. The 6.75 replaces a 6.5-foot truck bed. But both versions are 8 feet long. So we've got a dry bath version now, which we've always had, and we've also got our wet bath right here. This is a 2025 Aluma Tray. It's the 8-foot. It's got a 14-inch bulkhead in front. Store away your ladder, chairs, etc., etc. Along back here, on the back side, you can see some standard accessories that you're used to seeing: tire rack, ladder. New is this storage box. I enjoy fishing, so I've got a lot of fishing gear in here. But if you're a climber, you got ropes, that sort of thing, you're gonna really love this box. That's an OEV product as well. As you can see on this one, we've got the Taruka 180, dual 180 awning. So it's hinged at the front, hinged at the back. 180s forward, 180s backwards. You can also get the Taruka that does the 270, so you can actually come right over top. So it's still 180 out the front and 270 around the back, right above the pick point for the spare tire carrier. Back on the Hudson Bay, I'm just going to show you a couple of really neat features. I'm just going to grab this set of folding stairs. I'm going to bring these around to the back because I get asked this all the time. People ask me at the show, see, you've got a fly rod box. How do you access it? You just move the folding stairs around the back, and then you can access whatever you need. Nice feature about this Aluma Tray is you can get this drawer, 36-inch or 72-inch. This being a Ford, you can actually get a 72-inch in there, which is fantastic. So if you're grilling, that sort of thing, set up your grill, set up your 2-burner cooktop, or if you just want to eat on here, play a game of cards, whatever. Works really, really well. 5 inches deep. You store a multitude of items in here. And it's completely sealed dry. This all slides into a sealed pocket. And of course, locking latches. Inside, rear storage on this 8-foot Hudson Bay. You've got lots of storage in here. I've got a pair of skis in here. This cooler that you see down there actually fits in here as well. And then there's additional storage that you can't see. It's inside the center of this. You can access that from inside, or if you got a good reach, you can reach in and grab it. But this east-west storage, it's not quite a pass-through because we don't have a door on the other side. We do have a door in the back that you would be able to access this, but really there's enough room there for at least, you could probably do 2, possibly 3 sets of skis going straight across. Hey folks, let's jump into this 2026 wet bath Hudson Bay. We're inside the 2026 Hudson Bay wet bath. Welcome. So a few new things that you're probably not used to seeing just yet. You got this fold down countertop. Why do you have this? Well, if you option this is an option. You got the single burner propane, single burner induction, which is also removable, by the way. You can actually, you don't have a lot of usable surface because of this grill. So you can just bring this down, voila, you know, prep your food, away you go, if you're cooking outside, whatever. So you got that extra surface. And it's also got a bottle opener. I mean, who doesn't need a bottle opener? Above it, this is an optional unit for the Hudson Bays. So you get the paper towel rack. It's got a weighted bar above it. So this thing will not spin off if you're off-road on trail. This thing will be exactly how you left it. Also got a shelf here, we call it the electronic shelf. It'll also store a CPAP machine. So you've got all sorts of charging up here. So for your tablets, your cell phones, what have you. And then of course, you got your cabinets. Store whatever you're needing to store in there. She's all good. You got, with this option, you're also going to get the spice rack, which is super handy. And of course, J-handle faucet, glass top, and then over here, you got another optional item here, and that is another cutting board. So, or prep surface, or whatever you, baby change, or whatever you're going to be doing with it. It's pretty handy to have that. That's also new. And then with this wet bath, because here it is, that is the wet bath, we had to rearrange our water tank. So now it's just horizontally across here. It's a 20-gallon tank. I know that doesn't sound very large. However, you can option with our Aluma Tray an additional auxiliary 14-gallon fresh water. So our dry bath Hudson Bay, for comparison purposes, it holds 38 gallons inside cabin. This holds 20 inside cabin, but you also got the option for another 14 outside, which is pretty helpful. Up here, just like our other Hudson Bays, you've got underbed storage option as well. That's on gas struts, all aluminum, allows the mattress to breathe. And then, of course, this is what everybody's been asking for, is the wet bath. But as you can see in here, you got everything. You got, in this case, we've got a wrap-on Trekker toilet in there. And then, of course, you've got your shower. You've got a window as well. And then you've also got a 6-inch wall vent, powered wall vent, which also has a light on it, incidentally. Getting back to the water, we supply the geyser adapter into all of our campers. So if 20 gallons doesn't sound like a lot of water, you're right, it's not. But with the help of geyser, you know, you can have a 15-minute hot shower and use 0.8 gallons of water. So there you go. That's that for the wet bath. You can also take another look at it. So new on this as well is, I should mention, wherever you see the brown flooring, that's more EVA foam. So that's like boat decking. We got rid of the shower grate, and it actually gained us another 1.25 inches in height. So if you're 6'1", 6'2", you'll be standing on the floor there, and you'll be able to have at least 1 to 2 inches of room from top of your head to the underside of the roof. So that's pretty impressive. Okay, so something really exciting that we've developed for the Hudson Bays, and this will be in all Hudson Bays going forward, is we've got this new table mount. So this is the prototype, so it's a little jerky. It's easier if you're sitting down. You just lift up and you slide again, and it comes across to the other side. So the leg, as you can see, there's a gusset with a leg right there. So if you're, this gives you an incredible amount of strength. I'm pushing down on the table right now. It's not moving. It's not moving at all. And so if you're worried about your kids pushing the table, like I'm pushing the table right now, either direction, and it's not moving. It's not until you actually lift up. You got to lift up and then just slide it across. In the dry bath Hudson Bay, down here would normally be a shower pan, but now it's all storage. It's opened itself completely to storage, which is super nice. This lid, incidentally, will flip right up, and when the table's not in place, and it's got a nice little catch to hold it up should you be organizing things or doing what have you. So, but again, this table goes down, boom, into these tracks, and you can use the back cushions, make up a bed. So it's pretty handy. Yeah, this isotherm 130-liter drawer fridge and drawer freezer. I mean, check it out. That's awesome. I have nothing but beer down here right now because we're at the show. Got to keep people hydrated. But there is a rack. You just have to take my word for it. There's a rack that folds down, so if you got taller bottles, you'll be fine.